Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on reset options, they should be at the very bottom. And as you can see, the networks are divided into two different options, so mobile networks and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So the rule for resetting both is the same. Simply tap on it and tap on reset settings. You will have to confirm it here. Reset settings again. Be aware that you cannot undo this action. So we have to be sure, after resetting, after this information, we can go back and go to the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, tap on reset, and as you can see, and they also have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.